This video is part 2 of lesson 2, Managing Files and Folders. In this video, we will discuss how to copy data from a pen drive to a computer and how to work with multiple applications. So, let us begin with the video. Moving data from a pen drive to a computer. To move data from a pen drive, follow these steps. Step 1. Insert the pen drive in your computer. Step 2. The autoplay dialog box appears. Click on the Open folder to view files option. Step 3. The pen drive data opens in the computer folder. Step 4. Right-click on the file or folder you want to move to your computer. Click on the Copy option. Step 5. Open the location where you want to move the file or folder. Step 6. Right-click on the blank space and select the Paste option. The selected file or folder will be moved to your computer. Step 7. To remove the pen drive from your system, click on the arrow present on the notification area of the taskbar. Step 8. Click on the pen drive icon. Select your pen drive to remove it safely from your system. Now, let us understand this with the help of an example. Now let's understand how to move data from a pen drive to a computer. First of all, we will connect a pen drive to a computer. Here it is displaying all the data saved in a pen drive. For now, I am closing this window and let's go to this PC or my computer folder. We will double click on this PC folder. Now here you can see all the disk and drives are appearing here. So the removable disk, it means the pen drive is having my name. So it is appearing here by my name. So first let's double click on this folder. Then here it is displaying all the data that is stored in a pen drive. Suppose we want to copy this Lion King movie from a pen drive to a computer. So first we will select this movie by clicking on it. Now you can see that after selecting, this is appearing in blue color. After selecting, we will right click with the mouse. A pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, we will select a copy option. Okay. After selecting copy option, we will go back to the previous window and from here, suppose we are copying it in the videos folder. So we will open videos folder by double clicking on it. Now videos folder is open. Now to copy this movie from pen drive to this folder, again we will right click here with the help of mouse. Again this menu is appearing here. This is a pop-up menu and from this menu we will click on paste option. Now see, after clicking on paste option, this small dialog box is appearing here and showing copying one item from this disk to videos folder. Okay. Now after this process gets completed, the movie will be copied to a folder. Now here you can see the movie is copied to folder. Okay. So this is a simple step. Okay, these are the simple steps to copy a copy any data from pen drive to a computer. Similarly, in the same way, you can also copy a data from computer to a pen drive. Okay, I hope this is being clear to you. Working with multiple applications. You can do different things on a computer at the same time. For example, you can type in a Word document, play games, listen to music, and watch movie. For this, just open two or more applications on the computer, then minimize the open applications and work on the one you want. To open two or more applications on the screen at the same time, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the web browser on your computer system. Search for some relevant data, for example, computer hardware components. Step 2. Now, open the music folder and play any song from your computer system. Step 3. Right-click on the taskbar and select Show Window Side-by-Side option from the menu. Step 4. Both the application windows will appear on the screen side by side. Now, let us understand how we can show multiple applications at the same time on the screen with an example. Now, we will understand how we can work with multiple applications at the same time. Okay, to do this, first of all, let us open any of the two applications. First, we will double click on the Google Chrome folder so that we will open a Google Chrome Explorer. Okay, this is Google Chrome. Then we will open this MS Word also. Now here Microsoft Word has been opened. Okay. Now suppose we are creating a document, and while creating a document we need to search something on the internet like images or words or anything. Okay. Now to do that, what we can do, we can see both of the screens simultaneously on the desktop. To do so, what we will do, we will go to the taskbar. This is a taskbar. The bottom bar on the desktop, okay, from where start button exists, that is a taskbar. Okay, in taskbar, we will right click, and after right clicking, a pop-up menu will appear. From this menu, we will select Show Windows Side by Side option. Now see, after clicking on Show Windows Side by Side option, we can see both of the windows are appearing here. This a Google Chrome window and this a Microsoft window. Okay, so while creating a document at the same time, we can search for anything on the Google Chrome. Okay, so this is a working with multiple applications at the same time. Okay, now to overcome this, it means to stop this, what we will do, again we will go to the taskbar, we will right click, then undo show all windows side by side option. Okay, this option is appearing here, we will click on this option and again our desktop will come to its normal position. Okay, I hope now this is clear to you that how we can work with multiple applications at the same time. That's all for this video. Thank you.